Hi friends, welcome to IMIND.AutoCAD. In today's video tutorial, that is AutoCAD 2D drafting exercise number 9, we'll be studying how to prepare this geometry. Remember, a practice file for this is provided to you in the description of this video, so I would request you to download that file and practice along with that. So as usual, we'll first discuss how we are going to proceed with this drawing. So by and large, if you see, this drawing is comprised of a big rectangle which is 60 units by 120 units. So we'll first begin by drawing this rectangle. Then we'll draw the circle of 30 radius, another circle 30 radius, another circle 30 radius. We'll trim off the unwanted spaces. Then we'll draw this circle of 15 dia. Then we'll draw this circle and then we'll mirror it to the right. Then finally we'll proceed with dimensioning and we are done. So let me show you how we'll proceed with this drawing. So we'll first use the rectangle command, and I'll use this as a kind of tracking point, and we'll click over here and we'll give the length of the rectangle as 120 and the height of the rectangle as 60 and hit enter. Now we'll draw this circle of 30 radius. So we'll select center radius. We'll take the midpoint of this line and give the radius as 30 units and hit enter. Now both these circles are of 30 radius. So again, we'll select center radius, give the center point. Radius, it remembers it is 30, so just press enter. Again, repeat the command by pressing enter. Click over here. It remembers the radius, so just press enter and we are done. Now we use the trim command of AutoCAD and trim off the unwanted lines. Now we have got the outermost structure of our geometry. Now we'll proceed with drawing this circle. If you see, this circle is on the midpoint of this line, which is 15 units, and also the midpoint of this line. So we'll use the tracking system to take the midpoint and draw a circle of 15 dia. So we'll select center diameter and we'll use the midpoint of this and midpoint of this, and at the intersection we'll click over here and give the diameter as 15 and hit enter. Now in order to draw these circles, what we'll do, we'll first offset this line to 20 units down. Why 20 units? Because 15 plus 25, that is 40, and 60 minus 40, so this is 20. So I'll use the offset command of AutoCAD and give the offset distance as 20. Select the line to offset and the side to offset. Hit enter. Then we'll draw one circle of 15 dia, but we'll draw it at the midpoint of this. So we'll select circle, center diameter, click on the center and give the diameter as 15 and hit enter. Now if you see, from center to center it is 40 units. So from this point we'll move the center point 20 units to the left. So we'll type move command, we'll hit enter, we'll click on the circle, enter, base point is center point of this, and move it to the left. You can turn the ortho on and move it to the left 20 units and hit enter. Now we can erase this unwanted line and we'll mirror these two circles. So we type the mirror command of AutoCAD and select the objects to mirror, hit enter. First point of mirror line, second point of mirror line, delete old objects, no, and the objects have got mirrored. Now we select all these objects and change the thickness to 0.30 mm. Then we'll use the center mark command and we'll draw a center mark over here, here, here and here. We'll also give a center mark for this and for this. Next we will reduce the length of these center marks. So we click on the center mark. Then we click on the point you want to reduce. You can either take it on the top or you can bring it down. And same way we click over here, click on the end. You can either take it on the top or bring it down in line with this. Same way from the right side also. You can click over here and bring it to the bottom. And same way from here also. You can bring it to the bottom. And this center mark also. You can bring it to the new location. Then press escape to come out of this. Now we'll proceed with the dimensioning. We'll use linear dimensioning. Center point of this, so ensure that your snap is on. Center point of this, 40 units. Then use radius of this, 30 units. Then linear dimensioning, center point of this, 25 units. Then linear dimensioning, center point of this, end point of this, 15 units. Then linear dimensioning, end point of this, 60 units. Then linear dimensioning, center point of this, 90 units. Linear dimensioning, end point of this, 120 units. Linear dimensioning, end point of this, 30 units. And finally we want diameter. So we select diameter, click over here. And we want to edit it, so we double click over here. And then towards the end of it, we write down into 4. Close the text editor. And one more radius dimensioning is remaining for this. And it is 30. And we are done. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have studied some new commands. Hope you have liked this video tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.